Setting up Spectrum Internet and Voice is easy. In just a few simple steps, you'll be connected and enjoying your new service. Let's start by unpacking the kit and make sure you have instructions, a modem with power cord, coax cables, an Ethernet cable, a phone cable, and a coax splitter. Choose the coax cable included in your kit that is the best length based on the location of your modem. Then, connect one end to the cable wall outlet and the other end to the modem. If you are using the same cable outlet to connect the modem and a Spectrum receiver, you will need to use the coax splitter and extra coax cables provided in your kit. To learn more, visit spectrum.net/splitter. Now, find the modem power cord and connect one end to the modem, then plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Wait for the online status light on the front of the modem to turn from flashing to solid blue. This usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes, but may take up to 20 minutes if your modem requires a firmware update. Once the status light turns solid, you'll know that your modem is updated and connected. Make sure you plug your phone into an electrical outlet. Then find the phone cable and connect one end to your phone and the other end to voice port 1 on the modem. Locate the Ethernet cable and connect one end to the modem and the other end to your computer. Or, if you want to enable Wi-Fi service, connect the Ethernet cable to the Internet port on the Wi-Fi router instead. To activate your service, go to spectrum.net/self-install from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. If you haven't created one yet, click Create a Username to get started. You will need either your account number and security code, or the email address or phone number associated with your account. To learn more, watch our Creating Your Username support video. Once your service is activated, your installation is complete. Now you're ready to start enjoying your Spectrum Internet and Voice service. For the most convenient way to manage your Spectrum service, download the free My Spectrum app to access account information, pay your bill, troubleshoot equipment, and get quick and personalized chat support with Ask Spectrum. For more helpful support videos, visit spectrum.net/videos.